Another way of building, so let's say if you don't have big cranes or whatever, this was a viewing tower. That was a little project we developed together with our engineering students in timber engineering, together with architects from the same department. So we got actually the question from a little community: would you like to develop a viewing tower? So this tower is something like 35 meters high, which is kind of two triangular sections put together with the access in the middle. So as you can see here, there's little way or no possibility to come up with big cranes or with trucks. So this structure was actually erected using helicopters. So if you're working with helicopters, you must be sure that everything fits together 100%. As you can see here, you see familiar things. These are nailed on steel plates. Here you have, again, two steel fins sitting on the inside, providing a typical dowel connection. All these connections are done in the workshop. What they had to do in this case here, they had to erect a first module. They have to build the second module and put it on top of that to make sure that everything fits, and take it apart again, second module on the bottom, third module on top. In this way, they were sure that everything would fit together. There are some bolts here for directing or bringing the elements together as erection aid, if you like. And then the helicopter comes in, picks up all these elements. You just make sure that the helicopter can carry that, and that you don't have too much wind. So as everything was tested out before, that was very easily erected. There were some skilled carpenters working on site, being on ropes, so you can actually save all the scaffolding. Scaffolding for such towers costs you $50,000 to $60,000, which is a big amount. Of course, the helicopter also costs some money. What they could manage, as you can see, everything is pretty much finished. Here, the connection bolts are just one connector to put in. The whole tower was erected within 8 hours on a Saturday during good weather conditions. So this is also a good way in building. Let's have, so these are some of the principles, like how do you prefabricate, how do you transport, erect, and how do you also assemble the timber. So you will find actually these principles in most of the projects, and sometimes I might give you some more details to that.